A peaceful Kashmir needs more than autonomy and the withdrawal of troops. It needs reconciliation that gives displaced Kashmiri Pandits a chance to go back home. Arun Kaul was supposed to leave his home in Srinagar in 1989 as part of the ethnic cleansing that forced many Kashmiri Pandits to flee the valley.
When I wake up in 1990, I see that people have been led onto a different path of Azadi, which I am still to understand what form of Azadi. All of us woke up frightened, and then we woke up looking for yellow and black taxis, picking up blankets and whatever we could pick up, and then move across right from Kashmir to Jammu.
Arun was only 12 then. He'd hoped to be back in the valley after a month, but is yet to go back. This student of Burnhall Convent back in Srinagar retains memories of his once special classmate, J&K's Chief Minister, Omar Abdullah.
There is a young CM who has been voted into power by our own people. There was no ambiguity in the voting. Why doesn't the people of Kashmir itself support him? Why? He's an honest person. He's a sincere guy. He's a person from the valley. He has grown up there. He has been schooled there from Burnhall. Why shouldn't even Mufti Muhammad Saeed or any other political party strengthen his arms and say, this is our state? Why do we need to call Azadi? First, let's settle down the issue.
Arun believes Kashmiriyat is that unique cultural identity that is now unabashedly pluralist. For the Muslims, it's Azadi, and for Hindus like him, it's complete integration with India.
The soul stays the same. There is no discrimination. Now, what is happening is because in a certain kind of a group or in a herd kind of a mentality, they will say, okay, we go with Jilani Saab, okay, we go with Umar Saab, okay, we go with PDP Saab, okay, we go with Sonia Gandhi.
This generation of Kashmir may have grown up in the shadow of the gun, but they haven't given up. Not yet.
We don't want our children to live in terror.
We all Kashmiris, whether that's a Hindu, Muslim, we all are together right now.
We need to have peace for them and rest of the people who want to go back.
I remember our grandparents telling us that if we are not alive and there is Azadi, do come to our graves and tell us the dawn of independence has come.
Well, that's the Kashmiri viewpoint, but what do you guys have to say? Just write into our website ibnlive.com/whynot.
Yes, we're also on Facebook and Twitter. We'll take a short break here, but there's lots more coming up ahead on the show.
Coming up next, the real face of Peeply.
सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये पूरे भारतवर्ष में और विदेशों में भी पीपली को जानते हैं.